Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Now today guys, the reason why I couldn't post a video last night, usually I post a video yesterday and then I posted it today. So anyways, what happened was I went to the theater. Here's a picture of me at the theater yesterday. So yeah, that was a picture of me at the theater yesterday. It was kind of crazy guys. But anyways, that's why I couldn't post a video yesterday. But anyways, I was watching a movie. But anyways guys, you have to wear a mask over there, so yeah, social distance guys these days. COVID's going around and all that stuff. But yeah, here's the day with Neko. So if you don't know who Neko is, he done a movie with me. If you haven't already checked out the trailer, go check it out right now. And yeah, let's go check him out. First off, he's going over here. What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing? What are you doing? I guess he's itching. Wait, look at that. What? Alright, so anyways, I don't know what he's doing. What are you doing? What are you doing? Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here. Come here. You're not doing nothing. Come here. Buddy. Look, he's just eating plants. Like it's nothing. Not gonna do anything? Come on, dude. He's just biting on the plants. Yep, just how it's gonna go. Bro, you're never like this. Come on. Okay. How is it gonna go? What this video you're gonna see is biting plants. This dog likes to bite plants all the time. Let's do this. Yep. Make sure you like, subscribe because he's eating plants for y'all guys. What you doing now? What you doing now? Yes, no. Oh. Yes, he's doing ASMR for y'all. So yeah. Dude, what? He's right there. He's enjoying the plants. Wherever he's eating grass. He's either eating grass or plants. I don't know if that's. But yeah, that's him. And that's how it's gonna go. Oh, never mind. Alright, yeah. This is alright. I guess I'm gonna fall asleep right here. Oh my goodness, buddy. What are you doing? What are you doing, buddy? What you doing, buddy? What you doing? Good. Oh, he loves this, guys. He loves it. He loves it. Wait, is he dead? Don't quite dead. Is he dead? Is he quite dead? Buddy, I know you're not. I guess he just loves me. Just petting him, I guess. Okay, like, he's seriously just sitting. Oh. Goodness, dude, that scared the freak out of me. What just happened? Okay, what the? Okay, that was like a heart something. What?
Come watch me and Neko going on an adventure next week. You don't want to miss it. Hey, what's funny is this dolphin fell. Yeah, it's kind of crazy.
Can you help me?
Yeah, kind of crazy, right? That's why you don't want to miss this movie coming up next week. Yeah, next week, get ready, mark your calendar, get you some popcorn and get in your couch and watch this video, Stranded with Neko. Thanks. Let's see you next week. And includes scariness. October 31st is Halloween, which is going to be spectacular. Coming up next week, the movie. Make sure you watch it on YouTube, this channel. Hi guys, I'm Chance, and this is...